guys, welcome to 2264 Bridge Road. I'm Jonathan, this is Nick, he'll be manning the camera. Come on in and take a look at this beautiful 3-level backsplit located in desirable West Oakville. So as soon as you'll come in, you'll notice the open concept at the front here with the formal living area. They've gone with a really nice, clean, modern color palette, which is really fresh.
It's really inviting as soon as you come in the home.
Exactly. And the beautiful big windows let in plenty of natural light.
Beautiful views of your nice, mature neighborhood there. Beautiful this time of year.
Yeah, and as we walk over here to the kitchen dining area, it's open to the living area, which is really nice because it's perfect for entertaining. So you can lay out your hors d'oeuvres on the island, and it lends well to that. It's very clean, and what I like about this kitchen, it's very practical because it offers plenty of storage, but it's also very chic. They've gone with a really nice color palette. Of course, it's open to the dining area with the big window there letting in plenty of natural light.
Again, beautiful mature trees.
Exactly. So now
reason you move to a neighborhood like this.
For sure. Let's take a closer look at the kitchen. So you have a gas stove. You also have, again, plenty of storage space. You have a hidden dishwasher, which is really nice. Lazy Susan here.
It's always nice when homeowners, they do a nice, beautiful, open kitchen, but they don't neglect the storage space. You know, all too often we come into a kitchen and somebody says, well, where do I put my things? They've done a really good job of maximizing that cabinet space while maintaining that nice, open, contemporary feel. So you can see here we have some beautiful cabinetry work in the island. And then Jonathan's going to show you the storage space. They've got some pull-out drawers in there too.
Absolutely. This is the pantry here. We've got some pull-outs, and it's just perfect for storage.
Beautiful, nice, fresh, clean, contemporary color palette. Lends itself well to really anybody's taste.
Absolutely.
It has that feeling of a nice blank canvas where people will be able to come in and put their own fingerprints on things.
Exactly. Yeah, this is a great space down here. And they've done extensive renovations. And that includes taking down walls just to open it up. Now, if the quarantine has taught us anything, it's that people need their space sometimes. And so what's really great about this home, it offers the best of both worlds. You have an open concept layout at the front, but you also have rooms at the back that give you a place to go and hide when you need your own space. So why don't we head up there now and check it out. So I'm going to let Nick in here and show you the beautiful bathroom that's been updated. You have a tub and a shower as well, which is nice.
Yeah, they really maximize that space. It's always nice when people keep the tub as well for for bath time with the little ones and things like that. It's an important feature that sometimes people overlook. And again, they've kept that nice, beautiful, modern color scheme.
And then let me show you one of the bedrooms, but it can also be used as a home office. During this quarantine, we've been forced to work a lot from home. So that's just, this space offers you to have a home office.
Again, beautiful big window, lots of natural light. I know the homeowner spent many an hour in here working. It's nice to have this little cozy hideaway for her where she can get her work done nice and quietly away from the rest of the house.
Absolutely. You have your linen closet as well, which again offers plenty of storage. Now we'll head into the other bedroom. I'm immediately greeted by these large windows, which lets in plenty of natural light. Again, they've gone with a neutral color palette, which is nice. But you know what? It's a great kids' room. It has plenty of space in here.
Yeah, it's always nice seeing how the kids tried to stage their rooms for us when we're getting ready to sell it.
She did a good job.
Yeah, great little nook here as well. You got plenty of room in the bedroom space here. She's got a little arts and crafts set up here.
Absolutely.
Another thing we've learned is it's important to find ways to keep the kids busy. So to have the space to be able to do that, particularly in their own room, is fantastic.
And this is just a beautiful space in the master. This is a king size bed, just to give you a perspective of the size. And it's just, they've gone again with a really fresh color palette in here. And it's very bright. It just lifts your spirit and your mood to be in here. And again, probably one of the most appealing things about this room is the walkout to the backyard. So you can wake up in the morning with the door open to birds chirping and nature. It's just beautiful.
Yeah, the homeowner says she often just sits on the side of the bed with a cup of coffee and this door open in the morning, just so she can enjoy sunrise and you hear the birds in the morning.
It's just beautiful.
So perfect, peaceful and tranquil. And that's one of the benefits of moving into a mature neighborhood like this, right? You get the beautiful old trees, nice mature lots, good spacious backyard space. And we'll tour that later in the video.
And now we're going to head down to the lower level.
Beautiful, fresh, airy feel to this home. They really went for that West Coast vibe.
And now you're coming down to the casual family room. This is where you really kick back. You can sit back and enjoy a book. The kids can play down here, or you can sit down and watch a movie. And this TV is really cool because it's actually on a swivel. So it come round and really maximize your entertainment experience. And again, with the big windows at the back that let in plenty of natural light.
And this is really a multi-purpose room. You know, the homeowners, we always kind of interview them before we do these little walkthroughs, and they said this is a spillover place for them, so they can play with the little one on the big open space here. They have obviously the big oversized sectional that allows them to have a nice movie night here. And again, you can use it as a nice quiet reading nook. So it's great to have these multi-purpose rooms where it can lend itself well to really anything you want to do, you know, recreation-wise. And also having it just off the main level there, it's great if you had the little ones down here playing while you were formally entertaining upstairs. You can always keep an eye on them.
Exactly. So we do have another bedroom down on the lower level. But what's really nice about this bedroom is it doesn't feel like a basement bedroom. Again, with the big windows, there's plenty of natural light. The color scheme that they've chosen in here is really nice. It's modern, it's fresh, it's clean, and it's just a cozy bedroom.
Absolutely, great space. These big, beautiful windows. It doesn't feel like you're in a basement at any point while you're down here, which is fantastic. That's the objective that a lot of people would have when they're renovating their basement spaces.
Exactly. So now we're going to take a right here and show you the bathroom on the lower level. It's a nice three-piece. When I let you in here, Nick, take a look.
No doubt you'll see me in the bathroom mirror there a little bit. Unavoidable, but good amount of space here. Again, it's nice to have that additional full bathroom. Very handy if you had guests staying or something like that, using your bedroom on the lower level, that they also get their own bathroom.
Exactly. So we're going to check out the two-car garage. And what's really nice is the sellers have actually gone to the trouble of painting it as well, just to give it a clean look.
You can see, beautiful and organized. I know most people's garages don't look like this, but again, you never have too much storage space. One of the first things you learn in real estate, so it's nice to have the full double-car garage. Again, for a home of this style, it's not always the norm to have that much space.
I'll let you back in, watch your step.
And now Jonathan's going to lead us through to the backyard.
It's the perfect day for it as well.
Put the camera focus there. It's so bright out here today and beautiful. And again, you've got this great sitting area. One of the nice things about the way that this yard is laid out actually is the fact that you can choose, you know, to maybe sunbathe through the day on this space, but then if your little ones are playing and you want them in a more shaded area, you have this beautiful mature lot. Nicely shaded as well. You get the best of both worlds here.
Also notice there's a shed tucked away in the corner as well for storage.
Not often you see a garden as quiet and tranquil as this one.
Yeah. Come on in and let's see the rest of the house.
Jonathan's going to lead us down to this basement gym area.
So again, if quarantine has told us anything, it's that we need to have a space to work out in. All the gyms have been shuttered for quite a while, so buyers are looking for a space to have a home gym. And this room definitely lends well to that. It's a great space. It's got a clean look. They've freshly painted it, put in new flooring. And again, it's just a great space.
There's a lot of handy things here that are going to make it easier for you to do more from home, which again is the focus for a lot of buyers. We know these days a lot of people coming in from out of the city as well. They want to have those multi-purpose rooms where they could use it as a gym or a home office.
Exactly. So you have your laundry area here. The storage unit is included. And every self-respecting homeowner has a tool room. So this is a place for that. And as well, your hot water tank is owned, which is nice.
Yeah, there's no shortage of space in this house. And they've really done their best to maximize it by finishing all that living space.
So let's head upstairs and we'll do a bit of a summary for you.
Beautiful space. You just want to come in and sit down on the couch.
Exactly. It's such a nice space. You can kick back and just relax. It's the perfect combination of chic, but also practical as well. And so this home will be coming on the market soon. We can't wait to show it to you. Feel free to reach out to us on Instagram, DM us, message us on our website, williamsfamilyrealestate.com. We'd love to show it to you. Again, it's a beautiful 3-level backsplit located in desirable West Oakville. Nick, did you have anything you'd like to add?
I think it's a spectacular home. I think it offers great value for the listing price, and we're going to include all that info in the description as well. And I think that it's a beautiful, warm, inviting space that's going to be great for a young family. We're actually going to be interviewing the homeowners later this week, and stay tuned for that because it's going to be great to hear their perspectives on what they found so fantastic about this home when they moved in here and raised their family.
Exactly. So thank you so much, guys, for joining us on this tour, and stay tuned for more great content. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.